doing? What are we doing today, chef?
We're gonna make a seafood cazuela.
A seafood what?
Cazuela. So it's a seafood mix. First we're gonna just heat up a little bit in the pan. Put in the salmon. Sear on both sides. Some clams. So we'll add the mussels. So the salmon, we're gonna put the salmon 2-3 minutes in the oven. So we will add the shrimp. We will add all the shrimp.
We'll add all the shrimp.
Yeah, we will add. All right, we will add some cherry tomatoes. Then we're gonna add some heavy cream.
So not milk, heavy cream.
Heavy cream, this cooking cream. And we're gonna add a little wine. Marinara sauce. You can add a little chili flakes or a little pepper sauce or whatever.
Pepper sauce or that, right.
So we just now let it boil a little bit. So in the mash the same, we're gonna put some heavy cream. Yeah, we European people, butter, you know.
Because why not?
For the calories, the good calories. So add a little cheddar cheese, a little parsley, just for the little color. Add a little bit spinach here, so you see. All right, wow. This already is a nice cazuela, but with the salmon it will be nicer still. So on the board.
Right there.
And like it's Lent.
Just because it's Lent.
So these are edible flowers. So
edible flowers as well.
Edible flowers. So
Oh God. Oh Lord.
It's what some of the kids say is Moorish.
It's Moorish.
It's Moorish.
It's Moorish.
I'll take more.
Seafood cazuela with a nice cheesy mash.
You came for a cazuela.
Wow.
You came for a cazuela.